quick YouTube video explaining how to fix a WordPress hacked website. A friend of mine had porn and stuff like that popping up on his business website, and so I've spent the last probably 10 to 12 hours trying to figure out how to do it. So yeah, I'll just quickly show you where I found the hacked files, and yeah, maybe it'll help you out. So here we have I've gone into cPanel and the public HTML directory on it. So where I found the hack was in one of the themes folders. So if we, this is public.html, there's the content. Now, so where I located this was, so you've got a CD to, I think it's themes. WP, let's see, WP content, themes, and he had the canvas theme, but I guess it could be any themes like 2021. So it goes canvas, and the file that it was all in was, I believe, footer.php. So if you go nano footer, you can hit tab to autocomplete.php. Here's the footer, so that just gets loaded at the bottom of the page. But if you scroll down, you get to the bottom of it, and it just goes blank. If you keep scrolling, you'll see this script here, JavaScript and eval, and it's all packed and it's quite cryptic. So I haven't fully decoded this function, but it's probably encodes URLs and bits and pieces. But if you keep going down, beyond that, here's the bit. So the thing that sort of bootstrapped it all off was this, I think it's sl0.highstats.com, and that basically creates a script tag, and then it pulls in all other bits of code that then executes JavaScript. So I believe that the fix will be just to delete this ending off the file, and probably that should all work. So I've backed this up. So I don't know how to actually delete this. I think might be able to use some of these cut text or something like that. So what is it? Control K. Let's see. Control K. That seems to be deleting these. Let me just do that. So go right to the bottom. Control K. Just go up. I'm not sure how well it's working. We'll get the scripts here. No, yeah, it doesn't delete blank lines. So, back up. Try that. So, and then to save it, you go Control O, that'll write it back out. And hit Enter to accept the file to write to, and Control X. And that should fix that website there. I hope that's been useful. It's sort of I won't go into how it all works. I haven't fully decoded it, but basically there was that highstats.com. I don't know why I didn't find it earlier, because I was using grep to try and find eval functions, and looking for anything with .com, and for some reason I don't think it was recursing into the directories properly. But yeah, I did find it with a grep minus capital R and then eval bracket function. That's what I searched for, and then it found it, but I don't know by just grepping for the highstats.com, which I seen in the header file. I think I used Firefox and I hit F12 to inspect. You could see where the what headers were being pulled in. Anyway, I hope someone can find that useful. Catch you later.